Fall asleep fast and stay all night asleep. Get up rested with this insomnia natural cure. Sadly, many people suffer from insomnia issues and this affects the health. There are many sleep pills that offer curing, but they have side effect. Here you can see the best natural cure to restore sleep and make you be energized in the morning. It has 3 natural items like sea salt, honey and coconut oil. Health benefits. Honey has natural sugars but does not affect the blood sugar and helps you to sleep. Also, honey gives you glycogen for the brain. Lack of this makes more adrenal hormones like cortisol, adrenaline and stress. Sea salt reduces stress hormones and gives you day energy. The coconut gives satiety and energy and stops blood sugar spikes. Recipe. You need 1 tablespoon coconut, 1/8 of a teaspoon sea salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon honey. These all relax and soothe the mind. When mixed, they stop cortisol and make you sleep. Take this before bed and also try these methods too. Method 1. Mix the coconut and honey and then add salt. The items are mixed, then get a spoonful and water a glass. Method 2. Have coconut and honey one after another. Then sip water. Then mix salt in water and drink up. If you still wake up, have the cure again. You will sleep in 30 minutes again. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more natural cures and weight loss tips, subscribe to the channel.